Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nothing Phone 4a Pro, and let me share with you how to use secret codes on this device. So let's begin with opening the dialer, tap on the keypad, and let's start with the shortest code, which is *#06#. And as you can see by this code, we are provided with both IMEI numbers and the serial number of this device. So let's tap on OK. And now another code which will open regulatory information. It is *#07#. So as you can see, that was quite similar to the previous one. And here we've got regulatory labels. So you can check the country, you can check the head and the body of the device, etc., etc. Another code is *##225###. And here we are in the calendar info. So here we've got all the events gathered in one place. We can check some family events, some holidays in your country should also be right here, or events attached to your mail. So this is the best place to check the number of events, because unfortunately we cannot really enter any type of the category to check some further details, which is a shame, to be honest, but this is what you can do in the calendar information. Another code is *##426###, and here we are in the Diagnostics, so we can check the server, host, port, time connected, and signal level. Here we can tap on events, and here we've got some further details. After tapping on the three dots icon here, we can show advanced view, so just tap on it, tap on the status, and here we've got much more information. So for example, the heartbeat, last being, or HB algorithm. And the last code for today's video is *## or #4636###. And here we are in the testing mode, so you can check the phone information, usage statistics, and Wi-Fi info. So in phone information, you've got, for example, the IMEI number, phone number, also car network, data service, voice service. Of course, you will be able to see all of those information if you've got your SIM card inserted. I do not have one, that's why I cannot really check it. After scrolling, you can also run ping test. You can tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner, and you can also enable data connection or view fixed dialing numbers. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.